Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalparuksha classes. This is day 10 of SSLC short board exam questions, and the chapter we are looking at is Introduction to Trigonometry. Alright, so in Introduction to Trigonometry, you must be having idea about trigonometric ratios. You have idea about trigonometric ratios, right? How many trigonometric ratios are there? Total trigonometric ratios are 6. Alright, so if you take a right triangle here, alright, so here is a right triangle ABC with right angle at this B. Angle B is 90 degree. If you take this angle as theta, any angle for that matter. So what is a sine theta, cos theta, tan theta? Alright, then afterwards we have some more ratios. They are cosecant theta and secant theta and cot theta. You must be having idea about all these ratios. What is sine theta? That is going to be AB divided by AC. What is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but BC divided by AC, and tan theta is AB divided by BC. And cosecant theta is reverse of sine theta, that is AC divided by AB. Secant theta is reverse of cos theta, that is AC divided by BC, and cot theta is reverse of tan theta, that is BC divided by AB. So you must be having idea about all these things. Alright, so I can write as sine theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or this can be written as vice versa also, that is cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So if you understand these many things, I mean similarly with cos theta, secant theta, and tan theta and cot theta, so definitely you are going to get 1 or 2 marks for sure if you understand only these many concepts. Then you must be having idea about a sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Not only sine, you must be having idea about cos, tan, cosecant, secant as well as cot. So these are like specific angles. So you have that table also, right? So you have that table also, you can remember the table. Otherwise there are so many tricks which I have already explained in this channel, how to remember sine 30, 45, 60, 90, any trigonometric ratio for that matter. So this is related to specific angle. Alright, then you must be having idea about complementary angles. Alright, complementary angles ratios. So you must have heard about a complementary angle ratios, that is a sine of 90 minus theta is what? That is going to be cos theta. Similarly, cos of 90 minus theta is going to be sine theta. Alright, and we have a tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Okay, then we have a cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, equal to I haven't given here. Alright, so cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Similarly, we have a cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, and secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Alright, and after that the trigonometric identities are there. 3 identities are there which you must be aware of. The trigonometric identities are sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, first identity, and second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and third one 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. You must be having idea about all these things. Alright, similarly you should have idea of tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. You have idea about this. And similarly cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sine theta. You should be able to understand these things. Alright, fine. So if you have idea about all these things, so it becomes quite simple for you to solve all the numericals from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Anyway, I have given you some synopsis in the starting 3-4 minutes. Now let's get into some of the questions which are asked in the board exam. I have chosen the board exam questions. Alright, so which are directly asked in the board exam. I have chosen those questions so that you can get to know what is the nature of questions. Now the first question goes like this. If 13 sine theta is equal to 12, then the value of cosecant theta is. They have given 4 options. First of all, 13 sine theta is equal to 12 means what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta is going to be 12 divided by 13. Correct, no? And they are asking about cosecant theta. Now you know that what is the value of cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is going to be reverse of sine theta. Just now I have told you this is 12 by 13 means it has to be 13 by 12. So 13 by 12 means which option is correct? Look at this, 13 by 12, here it is. So option D is correct. So you got your 1 mark. Alright, quite a simple thing. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is find the value of tan 45 degree plus cot 45 degree. Quite a simple question. Alright, so tan 45 degree plus cot 45 degree. So what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 1 plus cot 45 is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's it, done. You got 1 more mark. So you know the table, right? So sine, cos, tan and 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. You know all these things, I hope. Alright, I have told you all the tricks how to remember this. If you cannot remember that, you can definitely write the table and you can answer for this. Alright, I recommend you to use the tricks. So what are the different tricks? So you can do that. Alright, fine then. Moving forward to next question. Next question goes like this. If x equal to p tan theta plus q secant theta and y is equal to p secant theta plus q tan theta, then prove that x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. Alright, let us get into the question. So LHS is x square minus y square, right? So let us choose the LHS. What is LHS? LHS is x square minus y square. Then we should reach at RHS. Okay, so x means what is there? X means p tan theta plus q secant theta is there. So let me write it as p tan theta plus q secant theta whole square. Alright, let me reduce the size of the pen so that it becomes easy for me to write. Minus bracket y square means what? Y means, look at this. This is going to be p secant theta plus q tan theta. And it becomes a whole square. Alright, x square minus y square. Now let us expand. It is of the form a plus b whole square, right? A plus b whole square means a square. A square is nothing but p square tan square theta. P tan theta whole square means p square tan square theta only. Plus b square means that is q secant theta whole square. That becomes q square secant square theta. Plus 2ab means it becomes 2p tan theta into q secant theta. Alright, minus, then let me open the bracket here. So that this is again a plus b whole square. That becomes a square is p square secant square theta. Plus and q tan theta means it becomes q square tan square theta. Alright, then it again becomes plus 2p secant theta into q tan theta. Alright, so these are the three things what we have got. Now let me open up the bracket here. Here is the bracket, right? So it becomes p square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta. Alright, plus 2 p and q you can write on one side, 2pq, then you can write it as tan theta into secant theta. Alright, then it becomes minus into plus is minus only, so minus p square secant square theta. Then similarly minus into plus is again minus q square tan square theta. Then afterwards we have minus into plus again minus, so that is minus 2 p into q is pq, so 2pq secant theta into tan theta. Alright, now look at these two terms, 2pq tan theta secant theta, and this is minus, here plus is there and here minus is there. 2pq is as usual, here also 2pq, here also 2pq, here tan theta secant theta, here also tan theta secant theta. Secant theta tan theta and tan theta secant theta, both are same things, no? So you can definitely cancel these two. What we are remaining with? We are remaining with p square tan square theta, and along with that p square tan square theta, you can use this minus p square secant square theta, that is like minus p square secant square theta. Alright, now along with that we have this plus q square secant square theta also. Then afterwards we have minus q square tan square theta also. Look at this. Alright, now in this what you can take common? You can take p square common. If you take p square common, what remains here? The remaining thing is tan square theta minus secant square theta. Alright, plus q square bracket. Now in these two, q square is taken common. What will remain here? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now secant square theta and tan square theta are related. Let us see the relationship. What is the relationship here? The relationship is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what is there? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta is there. So we have tan square theta minus secant square theta here. Look at this. So let me keep tan square theta here only. Tan square theta minus, if you bring this this side, it becomes minus secant square theta. And if you take this one that side, it becomes minus 1. So p square bracket tan square theta minus secant square theta means I can write it as minus 1 plus q square bracket secant square theta minus tan square theta. Look at this. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta is there. Now from this what you can write, you can carry forward this as 1 is equal to, you can take this plus tan square theta that side. No, it becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta. So secant square theta minus tan square theta means what? 1. Alright, so it becomes minus p square plus q square. Okay, all these pujas will be happening in home, that's why you must be hearing the sound of the bell. Okay, all right, so minus p square plus q square means it can be written as q square minus p square, which is equal to RHS. You can confirm RHS also, q square minus p square, that is, look at this, q square minus p square. So this is quite simple. Okay, so you have to start with the given data and what they're asking us to prove, start from LHS and reach at RHS. All right, moving forward to next question. Let us have a look at this fourth question. So what does this fourth question says? Prove that cot square 90 minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now when you have a look at this problem, immediately you will be confused what to do. Now you look at RHS. On RHS, what is there? Sin square theta and cos square theta. That means all these things have to be converted into what? All these things have to be converted into sin square theta and cos square theta form. Okay, let us start from LHS. What is the LHS given? The given LHS is cot square 90 minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1. Okay, plus cosecant square theta divided by it is a secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Okay, so this is a given data. Now cot of 90 minus theta means already I told you that is tan theta. If square is there, it becomes tan square theta. All right, quite a simple thing. Okay, so cot square 90 minus theta means tan square theta, and that is divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus as usual cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Let us do everything step by step so that we reach at the answer very soon. Now this tan square theta can be written as a sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Look at this, sin square theta divided by cos square theta. This thing I have written tan square theta as sin square theta divided by cos square theta, and all divided by tan square theta means what? Tan square theta means again sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Look at this, and minus 1 is there, plus this cosecant square theta can be written as 1 over sin square theta, 1 over sin square theta, then all divided by secant square theta means again 1 by cos square theta minus cosecant square theta means 1 over sin square theta. All right, now let us try to put it in a standard format, and nothing is there means divided by 1 will be there. So it becomes a sin square theta divided by cos square theta. All right, then all divided by, what is the LCM here? The LCM is cos square theta. LCM is cos square theta, and here I am going to multiply with 1, and here I am going to multiply with cos square theta. All right, so it becomes what? It becomes a sin square theta minus cos square theta. All right, then plus 1 over sin square theta, then divided by, what is the LCM of cos square theta and sin square theta? It is going to be cos square theta into sin square theta. All right, it is going to be into sin square theta, and it is going to be into cos square theta. You know the basic rules of LCM and all. All right, so it becomes a sin square theta minus a cos square theta. All right, I hope the calculations are quite clear. Now what it becomes? It becomes a sin square theta divided by cos square theta into cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. plus, now what is remaining here, it is like 1 by sine square theta into, it becomes a cos square theta into sine square theta, then divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Alright, so this cos square theta, and here sine square theta, they get cancelled. Now what is remaining there? The remaining thing is sine square theta divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Alright, plus, now at the top what is there? Cos square theta is there, divided by, now what is remaining here? It is sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now here the denominator is same, sine square theta minus cos square theta, sine square theta minus cos square theta. That means the LCM is going to be sine square theta minus cos square theta only. You can add this numerator, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta. Alright, so what is the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta? It is going to be 1 divided by, it becomes sine square theta minus cos square theta. Just look at whether this is RHS or not. So this is RHS, 1 divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. So we have reached that 1 over sine square theta minus cos square theta, which is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Alright, the input what I want to give here, dear students, is that you look into this RHS. This RHS what is there, and try to convert all these things into this form. Alright, moving forward to next question. Here a simple question is there. So what is this? The value of sine 30 degree is, value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. So that is quite a simple question, no? So value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Alright, these are the 5 questions what I have picked from your previous year question paper. If you want more question, make it sure that you are commenting, and second part of introduction to trigonometry will also come up. Alright then, thank you very much. Have a good day. Keep practicing, be happy and be confident in your preparation so that you get 80 out of 80 in your board exam. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye-bye.